Have you ever struggled with staying motivated? You're not alone. This is a common challenge that we all face at some point. The journey to success is not always a straight upward trajectory. There are dips, detours, and even some obstacles along the way. But fear not, for there are strategies to keep that fire burning, to keep you going no matter what. In this video, we'll share some strategies to help you maintain your drive and keep pushing forward. Our first tip is to set clear goals. Success is a journey, and to embark upon it, you must first define your destination. What does success look like to you? Take your time to visualize it in vivid detail. Once you have a clear picture, break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. These tasks will be your stepping stones on the path to your ultimate goal. Each one is a victory in its own right. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Now that you have your goals, it's time to create a plan. A plan is the bridge between your goals and achievement. Start by developing a detailed plan, outlining each step you'll need to take to reach your goals. Remember, each goal is a journey, and every journey needs a roadmap. Then assign deadlines for each task. Deadlines are crucial because they create a sense of urgency and keep you focused. A good plan is like a roadmap, guiding you to your destination. Understanding your why is a crucial part of staying motivated. This why is your personal reason for setting your sights on a particular goal. It could be a dream you've always had, a desire to make a difference, or a need to prove something to yourself. Recognizing your why gives your goals meaning and provides the fuel for your determination. Reflecting on how achieving these goals will impact your life can also be a powerful motivator. Your why is your compass, guiding you towards your goals. Maintaining a positive mindset is key to staying motivated. Picture this: you're on a journey, and your companions are optimism and positivity. They empower you to see opportunities where others see obstacles, to find solutions where others find problems. Surrounding yourself with supportive and optimistic people magnifies this effect. Their energy becomes your energy, their resilience becomes your resilience. As you walk this path to success, remember, positivity is not just an attitude, it's a lifestyle. Positivity is like fuel, it keeps you moving forward. Visualizing your success can be a powerful motivator. Picture yourself reaching your goals. Imagine the feeling of accomplishment, the reactions of others, the pride within you. This is not merely daydreaming, it's a mental rehearsal for victory. Creating a vision board can help solidify these images. Cut out pictures, write down affirmations, make it visually appealing. This board becomes a constant reminder of what you're striving for. It's a tangible representation of your dreams. So remember, see it, believe it, achieve it. Don't forget to track your progress. It's essential to monitor your journey, not just for the destination. Celebrate the small wins along the way, as these are the stepping stones towards your ultimate goal. Remember, even the greatest achievements started with small, manageable steps. If you find yourself veering off course, don't be disheartened. Simply adjust your plan, realign your actions with your objectives, and keep moving forward. This is not a setback, but a recalibration. Progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Organization is key to staying on track. When you're pursuing success, your environment has a big part to play. A tidy workspace can streamline your thoughts and boost productivity. It's like a clear canvas for your ideas. Now, let's talk about prioritizing tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are more critical to your success than others. Learning to identify and prioritize these tasks can keep you focused on what truly matters. In essence, organization is the foundation of efficiency. Your health can significantly impact your motivation. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle isn't just about the physical benefits. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can boost your mental resilience, keeping you motivated when challenges arise. But don't forget balance. It's crucial to take breaks and allow yourself time to recharge. Burnout is a motivation killer, and avoiding it is as important as any task on your to-do list. Remember, a healthy body houses a healthy mind. Seeking inspiration can reignite your motivation. When the going gets tough, it's time to turn to sources of inspiration. There's a wealth of knowledge out there in books, videos, and podcasts that can give you a fresh perspective. Not only this, but there's also much to be learned from those who have walked the path before us. Their tales of triumph over adversity can provide the boost we need to keep pushing forward. Remember, Inspiration is the spark that lights the fire of motivation. Flexibility is a crucial aspect of staying motivated. One must be open to change, ready to adapt when necessary. Life, as we know, is unpredictable. Our path to success won't always be linear. Therefore, we need to be flexible enough to alter our plans, to pivot when required. Challenges will surely arise, but rather than viewing them as roadblocks, we should embrace them as opportunities for growth. It's through overcoming these challenges that we truly evolve. Remember, flexibility is the key to handling change. Don't forget to reward yourself. This is a crucial part of staying motivated. When you reach a milestone, no matter how small, take a moment to celebrate your success. It could be as simple as a favorite treat, a leisurely walk, or a break to recharge. These rewards serve as a reminder of the progress you're making. They invigorate your spirit and prepare you for the next phase of your journey towards your ultimate goal. Remember, rewards can be a powerful motivator. Accountability can keep you on track. Indeed, it's an essential element in the journey to success. Sharing your goals with others can create a sense of responsibility. When you tell your friends, family, or mentor about your aspirations, you're more likely to follow through. Similarly, joining a group or community with similar interests can provide a supportive environment to keep you motivated. You'll find that others' progress can inspire you to push forward. Remember, accountability is the glue that ties commitment to results. Remember, it's normal to experience periods of low motivation. In such times, it's crucial to persist. Keep your eyes on the prize. Remind yourself of your goals and the reasons you set them. Let these act as your compass, guiding you through the highs and lows, keeping your journey on track. It's this tenacity and constant reminder of your why that will fuel your motivation, propelling you towards success. Stay motivated, stay persistent, and you will find your path to success.